Namaste bachcho. Today we'll start with a new chapter, that is chapter number 9, part 9, and the name of the chapter is Gulgul Gilahari or Kutru Chuha. This is a story about a squirrel and a rat. They were best friends and the name of the squirrel is Gulgul and the name of the rat is Kutru. So let's read this chapter. एक गिलहरी थी, that means there was a squirrel. उसका नाम था गुलगुल. Its name was गुलगुल. वह खूब गोल मटोल और भोली भाली थी. Here गोल मटोल means round, that is fat. Bholi bhali means innocent. So the squirrel was fat, chubby and innocent. उसे बहुत भूख लगती थी. भूख means hungry. So every time she feels hungry. इसलिए वह हर दम खाने की खोज में रहती थी. खाना means food, खोज means in search of. So the meaning is that's why the squirrel was always in search of food. Next paragraph. एक चूहा उसका साथी था. So here चूहा means rat, साथी means companion. So one of its companion was a rat. चूहे का नाम था कुटरू. So the name of the rat was Kutru. वह बहुत चतुर था. चतुर means clever. The rat was very clever. दोनों मिलकर खेलते, खाते और मौज मनाते थे. Here मिलकर means together. खेलते means they used to play together. खाते means to eat together. मौज means to have fun. That means they used to play together, eat together and have fun together. Next paragraph. एक दिन गुलगुल खाने की खोज में निकली. So here खोज means in search of. So one day Gulgul, that is the squirrel, went out in search of food. वो शाम तक घर नहीं लौटी. Here शाम means evening, नहीं means no, लौटी means returned. The meaning is that she did not return home till evening. Next line. कुटरू बहुत घबरा गया. घबरा गया means worried. So the meaning is that Kutru, the rat, became very worried. वह उसे ढूंढने निकला. Here ढूंढने means to search. So the meaning is that it went out to search the squirrel. उसने दूर दूर तक देखा पर गिलहरी ना मिली. So दूर दूर means far and wide. The meaning is that the rat, it looked for the squirrel far and wide but could not find the squirrel. Next paragraph. लौटते समय अचानक चूहे की नज़र एक रोएदार चीज़ पर पड़ी. So here अचानक means suddenly and रोएदार means something soft. For example, soft hair. So the meaning is that while returning, suddenly the rat saw soft hair. देखा तो वह गुलगुल थी. So when he saw it carefully, it was the squirrel and the name of the squirrel was Gulgul. वह एक कांटीली झाड़ी के पास बेहोश पड़ी थी. Here कांटीली झाड़ी means thorny bush and बेहोश word means fainted or unconscious. The meaning is that when the rat saw it carefully, it was the squirrel who was fainted in the thorny bush. Next line. कुटरू ने पानी के छींटे डालकर गुलगुल को हिलाया. So here पानी के छींटे means sprinkling some water and hilaya means to shake. So the meaning is that Kutru, the rat, sprinkled some water on the squirrel. उसने धीरे से आंखें खोली. Here आंखें means eyes, खोली means to open. So the squirrel slowly opened its eyes. Next page, that is page number 28. कुटरू ने गुलगुल का हाथ पकड़ लिया और पूछा. So the rat, it holded the squirrel's hand and asked, क्या हुआ गुलगुल रानी? That means what happened गुलगुल queen? Next paragraph. गुलगुल ने बताया. बताया means said. So गुलगुल said, एक लड़के ने गुलेल से गोली छोड़ी. Here गुलेल word means catapult and the meaning of this line is that a boy hit me with a catapult. मुझे वह सिर पर लगी. Here सिर means head and the meaning is it hit on my head. मैं बेहोश हो गई. बेहोश means fainted, and because of this I fainted. Next paragraph. धीरे धीरे चलकर दोनों अपने घर पहुँचे. Here धीरे धीरे means slowly slowly. चलकर means by walking. घर means house. So the meaning is walking slowly, both of them reached their home. गुलगुल के घाव की देखभाल करने पर वह कुछ दिनों में ठीक हो गई. So here घाव means wound, देखभाल means to take proper care, and here there is a small correction. You have to correct the spelling for देखभाल. And the next word is ठीक. ठीक means to get well. So the meaning is that by taking proper care of the wound, Gulgul the squirrel got well within few days. The last line, अब कुटरू और गुलगुल हमेशा साथ साथ खाने की खोज में जाते थे. So here हमेशा means always, साथ साथ means together. So the meaning is that now Gulgul and Kutru always go in search of food together. So this is a short story about two best friends, that is the squirrel and the rat. Now next you can see you have Shabdart, that means the word meaning, and the words are Hardam, Hardam means every time, Khoj, search, Sathi, friend, Chatur means intelligent or clever, Roedar means soft hair, Kantili means thorns, Behosh means unconscious, Ghav means wound. So this was the Shabdarth part. So here the activity is you have to read the first 5 lines of this chapter, record it and submit in teams. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Dhanyavad.